America, nature speaks in whispers. The quiet ripple of a crystal lake, the echo of wind across snow-tipped peaks, and the soft rustle of leaves in ancient forests. Here, time slows down, and every breath feels deeper. Whether it's the misty calm of Oregon's Crater Lake, or the golden glow on the Smoky Mountains, these are places where silence says everything. Let your soul wander, and find peace in the wild. Painted by time, carved by nature, the USA's lakes and mountains are a masterpiece. From the mirror-like surface of Lake Louise, to the rugged cliffs of the Grand Tetons, every corner holds a story of beauty and wonder. These aren't just destinations, they are living poetry. So come, explore the wild canvas of America, and let nature's